Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn, and I am your communications coach or an English coach. Today I'm going to take up 10 everyday used sentences, and these are not just sentences, they are phrases. So you can use it as it is in your conversations. These phrases or sentences are very commonly used every single day, and it will help you to start speaking in English. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to speak about 10 phrases or sentences, and of course its meaning as well. And the next part I am going to come up with a small conversation also, how to use these phrases in your own conversations. So this will be a small conversation which I'm going to take up so that you can start using these phrases or sentences in your everyday life. The first one is what's up. This is very common, right? Whenever you meet somebody, right? If you're going somewhere and you met someone and you say hi, hello, and then say what's up? How are you? What's up? How is it going? We do ask these questions. So this is a phrase which you need to use when you meet someone. What's up means what is going on, or it simply means how are you? Okay, so this is how we talk to people, or we start a conversation with people with this sentence. Now, let's take up an example. Hey, what's up? And the reply is, not much, just relaxing. Yeah, so this is a small conversation. Somebody has asked me, hey, what's up? And I just replied, not much, just relaxing. Okay, next, I'm running late. This is also a very common phrase or sentence which we use very commonly. Like suppose I have to go and attend a meeting, or I have to reach office, school, college, or if I have to go somewhere, right? So we just think that, by 10 a.m. we have to reach the office, or by 11 a.m. I have to reach this place. And if you're getting late, right, you'll not be able to reach on time. We say, I am running late, which means I'll be late, or I'm going to be late. For example, I have to reach office by 10 a.m. but I'm running late. Okay, so this is an example. Next, hang on a second, which means wait for a moment. Hang on a second means wait for a moment, wait for a minute. If suppose somebody is busy, or if I'm busy and somebody wants to talk to me, so I'll say hang on a second, I'll just complete this and I'll then talk to you. Or if you have to do 2-3 things and then somebody has reminded you of doing something else, you say hang on for a second, I'll just finish this and then I'll do that. So in this way you can talk about it. For example, hang on a second, I'm coming there to meet you. Next, I have no idea. This is also very commonly used. We do use this phrase or sentence very commonly. I have no idea, which means I don't know anything. I don't know at all. Right? I don't know what is going on or what is happening, or what are you talking about. If somebody is talking about something that do you know this, say I have no idea. Right? I have no clue. This is also we use very frequently. I have no clue. For example, I have no idea what is going on in the meeting room. Right? I have no idea what's going on in the meeting room or in the meeting. Next is, that's a good point, which means I agree because it makes sense, or I agree because your idea makes sense to me, which is, that's a good point. So if somebody is giving a suggestion or somebody is saying something and you agree with that person, you can just say that's a good point. Like we say I agree, or agreed, or well said. We say all these things, but when you want to express your opinion also, that you agree to this, the person's opinion, you can say that's a good point. For example, that's a good point. We can definitely implement this. Right? Next, I am looking forward to it. I am excited about something in the future. So something is going to happen and I'm very excited about it. So that is why I'm saying I'm looking forward to it. We usually talk about it multiple times, right? If we talk about meeting some person, going somewhere on a vacation, on a holiday, or any other plans or any surprise we do talk about it. We say we are looking forward to it, or I'm looking forward to it. Like I'm very excited about the future, like what is going to happen on that day or there. For example, I'm looking forward to meet my childhood friend next week. Right? I'm looking forward to meet my best friend or my childhood friend next week. Now in this way, you can also start coming up with new sentences, guys. Whatever phrases I've spoken, what you can do here is I'm giving you an example, one sentence, so you can come up with one or more sentences on your own as well. Right? This will help you in your speaking practice, or using this word in your own sentences so as to memorize it or repeat that word so that you don't forget. Okay, so start doing this exercise, or start getting in the mode of making sentences. It is actually going to help you to retain that word basically. Okay, next, it's up to you, which means you can decide. This is also very commonly used. We generally use it when we talk about some decision making, right? So we've spoken something and we want other person to talk about it or give his or her opinion, so we can say that it's up to you now, right? Like you can decide on it if you want to do this or not. So for example, where should we meet this weekend? So the other person will say, well, it's up to you, which means the other person is telling me that you decide wherever you want us to meet. Okay, so it's up to you. Next, let's call it a day, which means let's stop working for today. Let's call it a day. So we do a lot of things, we are in office, we are elsewhere, we are working at home, or we are preparing something for a celebration, or we are shopping. So when we are tired, or when things are finished, or we want to stop doing it and we want to do it the next day, so we say, let's call it a day. Let's stop working. For example, I'm very tired now. Let's call it a day. So when you're doing something, you say, I'm very tired now. Let's do it the other day, or let's do it tomorrow. So we can say, I'm very tired now. Let's call it a day. Okay. Next, that makes sense, which means I understand and I agree. That makes sense. Like it makes sense to me. I agree with you. That's right what you're saying. It's just agreeing with somebody. You say that makes sense. Okay. For example, the logic behind this strategy makes sense to me. The logic behind this strategy makes sense to me. Okay. And the last one is, it is very common, is keep it up. We always say this, keep it up guys, keep it up. Keep doing this, which means continue doing a good job. We generally speak about it during any sports, right? In schools, when we used to participate in sports, we used to say, keep doing, keep it up, right? Good job. So this is what it means. For example, your English is improving. Keep it up, right? So this is how we use these phrases or sentences in everyday English speaking. So if you want to practice this, take it up, start using it in sentences, start speaking with people with these sentences or phrases, and you'll find it very easy to start a conversation or to speak to people in English. Trust me on this. Now the last section is, I'm going to come up with a small conversation or a mini conversation so that you can practice it with me. Let's do it. So person A, hey, what's up? Person B, not much. I'm running late for work. Person A, no problem. Hang on a second, I have something for you. Person B, sure. Person A, we can discuss it tomorrow if you are busy. Person B, that makes sense. I'm looking forward to it. Person A, great. Keep it up with your English practice. Person B, thanks. See you tomorrow. Right? So these are small talk conversations, a short conversation, mini conversations which we can start doing or having with people. This doesn't take much time, much efforts. You can just start practicing it from today, right now. It doesn't harm you. You have to prepare everything and go out and speak. Right? Short conversations are one-liners, two-liners, three-liners, four-liners, not more than that. Start getting into the practice of having conversation with people in real situations in English to gain confidence and fluency in speaking in English. And that is going to help you guys. Use these phrases and sentences and see how easy it will be for you to go out and speak in English. So guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.